Hi, in this video I will show you how to save Instagram posts through collection. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to save the Instagram post, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you will see multiple posts here. So simply if you want to save any of the posts, simply follow this procedure. So I want to save this photo. You will see a icon. This icon is here. Simply you have to click on this icon, and once you will click on the icon, this video is saved to your collection. Now click on the profile from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Once you will click on it, you will see a save option here. Tap on it, so your saved post is in your collection. So in this way you can save any post to your collection on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.